Hello, and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we look at expungements in New Jersey. So, there's basically three types of expungements that we often deal with. Number one is regular expungements, where if someone is convicted of a disorderly persons offense, they have to wait 5 years. If they complete PTI, conditional discharge or dismissal, have to wait 6 months. There's also what's called expedited expungement, where there's an outright dismissal in the court or a not guilty finding that we can start right away. And three, the early pathway, where you're not waiting the mandatory years, but we like to call it prove that you are a Boy Scout and Eagle Scout. So let's talk about the regular expungements. Well, what's the basic information that your attorney needs? Well, your name, any other names you've been known as, which is common for women that may have changed their name, current address, cell phone, email, who referred them, date of birth, social security number. Then the information many people don't have is the actual date when they were charged. So we don't use the word arrested, we use the word charged, because many people think arrested means they were brought to the police station, but it's an actual criminal complaint where it's state versus you. So we recommend everyone get what's called a certified disposition from the municipal court, and if it's a municipal court matter. So that'll have the date the person was charged. Then you have to put down what the statute number is. It's 2C colon something something typically, the type of offense, the town, and the complaint number. And if it went up to Superior Court and there was an indictment or accusation, the indictment number and or accusation number. The attorney will need to know, and you need to put down what county and where it was eventually resolved, because oftentimes the criminal cases are remanded by the municipal court back to the municipal court. And then now you have to put down the date the case was resolved. So either someone pled guilty on X date, or on X date the charge was dismissed. You should put down what the final resolution was, because it could be different from the original charge, the amount of fines, cost, and any other penalties. And what, even though it's sometimes in what you say, like see attached dispositions, you want to try to make the prosecutors and the different law enforcement entities and courts' job easier, so they'll grant it and not object to it. Then you have to put down every other offense you've ever had since you were 13, except for traffic tickets. So ordinance violation, someone was peeing in public in Belmar, any ordinance violations, even putting the trash out on the wrong day. Say the complaint number, what the resolution was, etc. So once the attorney gets all that, they will prepare the petition for expungement, file with the Superior Court, notify the entities, and the further information on expungement we're going to discuss in our next program on the expungement process. For more information on expungements, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.